If you're searching for the best machine learning techniques, or MLT AKTU notes PDF, then you've come to the right place. These premium handwritten notes are specially prepared according to the latest AKTU syllabus and cover all units in a simple, easy-to-understand, and completely exam-oriented format. The notes include important topics such as machine learning fundamentals, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, data preprocessing, feature engineering, linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, naive Bayes, k-nearest neighbors, support vector machines, clustering algorithms, k-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, random forest, model evaluation, cross-validation, principal component analysis, neural networks, and real-world applications of machine learning. Whether you're preparing for semester exams, internal assessments, university examinations, placements, or back paper exams, these notes will help you understand concepts quickly, revise efficiently, and score better marks. If you find this study material helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. You can